What if I told you that you could create stunning presentation slides in under 60 seconds without any design experience? Forget spending hours on PowerPoint or paying expensive designers. I'm about to show you an AI tool that does all the work for you, and it's incredible. Here's exactly how it works. First, head over to z.ai. I've dropped the link in the description below for you. Once you're here, scroll down and you'll see the AI Slides section right here. See this prompt bar? This is where the magic happens. Simply click it, and now I'm going to type in my idea. Watch this. I'm typing, I want you to make slides about future AI world. So when you create slides, you can use Apple introduced liquid glass. So deeply think about this design, and you have to use this look and feel as slides template. Think you're a professional graphic designer and slides maker, presentation king, with 20 years of experience, and please do this work. And I would like to say, first you initialize a plan how to make the slides with Apple liquid glass design. Then you can make these slides. I hope you are making very attractive slides as magic, so use icons and animations like Apple Liquid Glass Update. And at the end, I think to export this as PowerPoint file. Now hit send and watch what happens. And just like that, boom! Look at this. The AI is not just creating slides, it's designing them with that sleek Apple liquid glass aesthetic. Look at the design, the animations, the modern look. This is what would take a professional designer hours, maybe even days, to create manually. Now pause for a second. If you're finding this valuable and learning something new, do me a favor. Drop a comment below saying valuable video so I know this is helping you. It really helps the channel too. All right, slides are ready. But here's what's even better. Look at this design. Clean, professional, with that premium Apple liquid glass style, and no watermarks cluttering up your presentation. And when you're ready to use it, just hit this share button right here, and boom, you can download it as a PDF or PowerPoint file. That means you can edit it further if you want, present it directly, or use it exactly as is. Now, here's the thing. If you want to discover more game-changing tech tools like this that actually save you time and make your life easier, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss the next one. This channel, Tech Drop, is all about finding tools that work. And before you go, smash that like button if this helped you. Drop a comment telling me what presentation you're going to create with this, and share this with anyone who's still wasting hours on slide design. I'll see you in the next video. Now go create something amazing.